Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel Langlit Guide. Today let's discuss some important MCQs on the topic, have you got a brook in your little heart? But before starting, consider sharing this video with your friends and as usual subscribing if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's move on to the MCQs. Question number 1. Who is the poet of Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart? The options are A. Emily Dickinson, B. Sylvia Plath, C. Sarojini Naidu, or D. George Eliot. The correct option is A. Emily Dickinson. Question number 2. Emily Dickinson is dash dash poetess. The options are A. An Italian, B. A British, C. A Russian, or D. An American. The correct option is D. An American. Question number 3. What is the lifespan of Emily Dickinson? The options are A. 1811 to 1885, B. 1844 to 1892, C. 1830 to 1886, or D. 1812 to 1880. The correct option is C. 1830 to 1886. Question number 4. Emily Dickinson died at the age of 55 from dash dash disease. The options are A. Diabetes, B. Bright, which is a kidney disease, C. Heart attack, or D. Cancer. The correct option is B. Bright. Question number 5. Who published Emily Dickinson's poems after her death? The options are A. Mabel Todd, B. Michael Todd, C. Robert Todd, or D. Henry Todd. The correct option is A. Mabel Todd. Question number 6. Who discovered a box with 1700 poems of Dickinson? The options are A. Sister Liza, B. Sister Bella, C. Sister Winnie, or D. Sister Della. The correct option is C. Sister Winnie. Question number 7. Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart was included in 1924 edition of Emily Dickinson's dash dash. The options are A. Complete poems, B. Collective poems, C. Nature poems, or D. Victorian poems. The correct option is A. Complete poems. Question number 8. Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart consists dash dash quatrains or stanzas and each stanza has 4 lines. The options are A. 5, B. 6, C. 4, or D. 3. The correct option is C. 4. Question number 9. What is the rhyme scheme of Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart? The options are A. ABCD, B. ABBA, C. ABAB, or D. ABCB. The correct option is D. ABCB. Question number 10. In the poem, Dickinson uses the term dash dash as a metaphor of the soul. Options are A. Flowers, B. Brook, C. Heart, or D. Sky. The correct option is B. Brook. Question number 11. The usage of the word little in the title of Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart creates an dash dash effect. The options are A. Jumbling, B. Pleasant, C. Satiric, or D. Ironic. The correct option is D. Ironic. Question number 12. Shadows in the last line of first stanza is a symbol of dash dash. The options are A. Beauty, B. Fragrance, C. Ignorance, or D. Color. The correct option is C. Ignorance. Question number 13. Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart was written in 1859 and published in dash dash. The options are A. 1890, B. 1860, C. 1862, or D. 1864. The correct option is A. 1890. Question number 14. Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart is about dash dash. The options are A. Scenery beside the brook, B. Ugliness of brook, C. Human mind and soul, or D. Beauty of brook. The correct option is C. Human mind and soul. Question number 15. What type of poem is Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart? The options are A. Sonnet, B. Ode, C. Elegy, or D. Ballad. The correct option is D. Ballad. Question number 16. In the poem Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart, the purpose of evocative use of language is to express dash dash. The options are A. universal ideas and ideals, B. abstract idea and ideals, C. concrete ideas and ideals, or D. philosophical ideas. The correct option is B. abstract ideas and ideals. Question number 17. According to Dickinson, what need to be nurtured in our hearts? The options are A. brooks of like and dislike, B. brooks of hatred and dislike, C. brooks of love and kindness, or D. brooks of joy and sorrow. The correct option is C. brooks of love and kindness. Question number 18. In the poem, Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart? Why do we need the draught of life daily? The options are A. It supplies food to our body, B. It supplies energy to weary spirit, C. It supplies water to our body, or D. It supplies blood to our body. The correct option is B. It supplies energy to weary spirit. Question number 19. In the poem, Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart? What do the flowers do by the brook? The options are A. Come down and drink, B. Dance rhythmically, C. Flutter rapidly, or D. Sing song. The correct option is A. Come down and drink. Question number 20. What is the theme of Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart? The options are A. Patriotism, B. Feminism, C. Love towards nature, or D. Life and spirituality. The correct option is D. Life and spirituality. Question number 21. The use of and at the beginning of the lines 4, 5, 6, 8, 11, 12 and 13 is a dash dash poetic device. The options are A. Personification, B. Metaphor, C. Anaphora, or D. Repetition. The correct option is C. Anaphora. Question number 22. What type of metaphor is used in the description Bashful flowers in Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart? The options are A. Objective, B. Impersonal, C. Social, or D. Personal or subjective. The correct option is D. Personal or subjective. Question number 23. What form of interrogation is indicated in the title of the poem Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart? The options are A. Negative question, B. Yes no question, C. Rhetorical question, or D. Assertive question. The correct option is C. Rhetorical question. Question number 24. In March, snow starts to melt and the excessive water makes the rivers dash dash. The options are A. Dirty, B. Clean, C. Block, or D. Overflow. The correct option is D. Overflow. Question number 25. What seasons are described by Dickinson in the third and fourth stanza of the poem? The options are A. Spring and autumn, B. Spring and monsoon, C. Monsoon and winter, or D. Winter and rainy. The correct option is A. Spring and autumn. Question number 26. The draught in the brook used in Have You Got a Brook in Your Little Heart is a symbol for the dash dash. The options are A. Summer season, B. Loss of emotion, C. Faith in love, or D. Faith in humanity. The correct option is B. Loss of emotion. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.